All right, so tell them what we're doing.
Doing pads, rear pads.
We're doing rear pads only on a 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander. And the brake pads were done one time before us. This has 140,000 miles on it. So it's possible it could be three brake jobs on this car at this mileage. So Sierra and I are doing the electronic brakes in the back. I'm showing her how to do it without using a scan tool, which you use a jump box and a power probe and blah, 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 blah. So as we're digging into it, I noticed that the caliper piston is clocked in the wrong position. This should be 12 and 6, and you see the cutouts in here. If you look closer, you see that right there, all that impression marks. This is the second car I've seen in the last 14 days that the rear brake job was done incorrectly. So one was from Pep Boys, and then one is from I don't know. And then if you look at the back of the brake pad, these have to be indexed properly. And what this does is destroy the piston, the caliper, and cause a low pedal. So they're lucky that it didn't break this. So I'm shocked that they didn't notice that they had a low pedal after the job was done. But it is what it is. So I can only report what I find is the last guy or the vehicle owner or whoever really has no idea what they're doing. A lot of people say that they're good mechanics, but they're really not. There's more than just hanging parts on and sending it. So always check this, all right? And then this doesn't really matter, this clock position, if there's no index, all right? But almost every brake pad has some type of index, and then some manufacturers have them, some don't. So at this point, it's really not needed. You can technically grind this side down, never have to worry about this clock position, and put the car together without having any adverse effects. So here's to you, kids.